Well, hey, thanks for tuning in today, guys. Here in Central Texas, it gets super hot in the summer. One cheap, easy way I found that, maybe you can block that sun and the heat. Yeah, just install an outside pull-down shade. So right here's the brand of shade I used. Wide by 8 feet, that's perfect.
95% UV block. Maximum energy savings. Best daytime privacy. Protect people, pets, and furnishings from harmful UV rays. Get you one of these.
As you can see, there's two garage doors right there. One on the left is open. The one on the right obviously is closed. And above it, you can see that just installed these blinds. So, and basically, that's just going to, the sun's going to hit that first before it hits that metal door, that steel door, and start baking the garage. So, like I said, guys, this is a real cheap, easy way to kind of deaden that sun, especially if you have like an afternoon sun that just beats on your garage doors. It's a little windy right now, so that thing's blowing around. So at the very bottom, I'm going to fasten just some kind of hook at the bottom where you can just hook it in and keep it stationary. That way it's not blowing around. It comes with a nice little hand crank right here. So this is what you use to run the shade up and down with. Yeah, it's kind of hard to do with one hand, but these things are real super easy to install. Basically, get this end cap right here. 2 screws, it screws in. You got an end cap for the other side. And this thing just mounts in there. It just fits right in there. So pretty cool, inexpensive. If you're looking for these shades right here, click down in the description. Click that link and it'll send you to Amazon. Pick these bad boys up. See what you think. Well, thanks for following along today on this sunny, hot Texas day. We'll talk to you all later. Peace out. Live from Austin, Texas.